everyone, this is Jen from the Nocatee Welcome Center. It is Walkthrough Wednesday, and I'm here in the Crosswinds neighborhood with Tiki from David Weekley Homes. Hey, Tiki.
Hi.
So tell us what we're taking a look at today.
This is exciting because this is our villa product. So I get really passionate about the villas. We've got two models of our villas that are located here in Crosswinds. They're built in a section for themselves.
It is really pretty back in here.
Very dreamy with the landscaping. Our developer Park Group spared no expense on the landscaping plan. It is absolutely beautiful, very green and very lush.
So Tiki, for somebody who's not familiar with what a villa is, can we explain to them what that is?
Yes, I want to share with you, many people get our villas confused with
a townhome?
A townhome, right. And I do want to tell you that our villas are not townhomes. Our villas are, the true definition of a villa is a single family home that shares one common wall. And in this case, that common wall is straight down the middle where the two garages meet.
Wow.
Now what makes our villas really special is they truly feel just like a detached single family home. Each unit, each villa is an end unit. And each villa has tons of windows because, again, David Weekley builds with lots of windows, and our homes are really bright, and so are our villas.
Wow.
The villas have 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors throughout. They're all single-level villas.
Oh, that's nice.
It makes living very easy, comfy, and spacious.
And Tiki, as far as the lot's concerned, when a homeowner here owned their lot?
That is what's so special about owning a villa here in Crosswinds. Each villa is sitting on its own 40-wide lot.
Wow.
And so the lots here are very, very deep. And so all of our villas have exceptionally large backyards.
Wow.
And every single villa is actually it's sitting on a preserve lot. So you'll have a beautiful view similar to what you're looking at right now.
That is beautiful, walking into this home. So Tiki, let's explain. So this area, Carling, if you can get this would be the garage space, right? Obviously,
Yes.
This is the model, so it's set up for that. But this would be a solid wall right here, correct?
Yes, this would be your 2-car garage that you'd park in, and the door would be right through there.
Okay.
So when you enter your home, you're going to enter in a vestibule area that we call a mudroom. And so the door would be here to allow you entry. And now this villa, the Sunbeam, actually comes standard with this beautiful drop zone backpack rack or mudroom piece. And in addition to that, you've got a wonderful coat closet in addition to the backpack rack. And it leads you straight to your laundry room, which actually is a really great size. Again, makes for a nice functional laundry space.
Really nice coming in from your garage to have this drop zone here, have that closet. If you have guests, the kids can put their backpacks in that closet. You can put your vacuum in there. So great feature to have. Carling, this is going to be, we're going to backtrack a little bit because we bypassed the bedroom here. So I want you to get that.
Now, when you enter these villas, you're greeted by, again, that 10-foot ceiling, nice grand ceilings and the 8-foot doors. Here, you'll have an opportunity to have either one bedroom and a full bath all the way in the front of the house, making it wonderfully private from the owner's retreat area, which is located in the back of the house. Look at these beautiful windows. Very oversized, tons of natural light. So if you have children, your kids' bedrooms will be nice and bright. Or if you have guests that come to stay, they'll be nice and comfy.
And the other thing is, if you have kids, these bedrooms are in the front. You have your own space in the back. So there's separation, which is really nice.
Yes. And so it gives you, this floor plan is, we offer it in 2 different ways where you could have a study or you could have 3 bedrooms. So if you have 3 bedrooms, you wouldn't have a study. If you'd like a study, then we can offer you the 2-bedroom plan with the study.
Right.
And then the study, you can also, we have them on the ground being in production currently with enclosed studies or open studies. So we've got a mixture of all on the ground coming out soon.
Well, that's really nice to have the versatility with this room to be able to have it a bedroom, have it as a bedroom, or have it as a study or a craft room, or whatever your needs may be. Something like this is perfect for everybody, really. I mean, it's one story, so you don't have to worry about stairs. So an older couple that wants to have a 2-bedroom and an office, a family can make that into a bedroom. So a lot of versatility, which is really nice. And as far as square footage, Tiki, what are we looking at roughly with this?
That's what's really special about the villas is that they're not small. They're actually quite spacious, and surprisingly so. This villa being all on one level, it's close to 1,800 square feet of space.
And actually, it feels so much bigger with the openness of this kitchen into your eating area and family room. And I love the fact that the eating area is kind of set off to the side there.
Because people still do sometimes ask for a formal dining space. That doesn't necessarily mean that they want walls all around them. They just want enough space for a decent sized table to fit family and friends. And so we will deliver that in both of our villa floor plans. You'll have amazing dining space and a huge center island that fits plenty of stools and eating space for any kind of gatherings, parties, events.
It is a great size island here. It's beautiful, and lots of counter space, which is really nice.
Yep, you've got a pantry here.
Right here. Oh, wow. So lots of storage, lots of cabinet space, lots of storage with that pantry. This is really a beautiful space, and you cannot get over looking at that preserve out there.
Right, that's very desirable. And in neighborhoods, it's often quite sad that there's not enough preserve lots available to the public.
This is beautiful.
The wonderful thing about our villas is you'll get a preserve lot on any of them.
And Tiki, could somebody fence in their yard or put a pool in or anything like that?
Yes, in fact, there's so much space. This is a true representation of what the backyard spaces look like in all of the villas. They're this deep, and in some cases even a little bit deeper than what you're seeing here.
Wow.
You can put a pool, you can put a spa, you can have an outdoor kitchen built, you could extend the patio beyond what we give you, and you could make this your haven. Those are things you can't do in a townhome, folks. That's what makes this so much more special than a townhome.
It's your own home, which is nice.
You have space.
Yeah, this is beautiful. These windows are gorgeous looking back at this preserve area here. Really nice, and if you do even something special in your backyard, that's the view that you would have.
Oh yeah,
so
and it's private. Gorgeous. People love privacy. If you're in a neighborhood, again, more often than not, you're really close to all of your other homes that are surrounding you. You don't have privacy in your backyard in most cases. Sometimes lanai to lanais beside you are right beside each other. Here you will not have that.
Right.
You have true privacy
because the garages are the ones that are next to each other in the model, so then you really have your own living space, which is amazing. And this room, I always say it's really hard to get the size of a room on here, but this is a huge room.
I want to point out the pieces of furniture again that are sitting in this space. It is mind-boggling that this is a king-size bed, 2 extremely oversized nightstands, a huge dresser in the center, and you've got an ample seating space as well.
That is awesome. And I do love, and I know, Carlene, we kind of just walked in here, but you have this little vestibule area where your bedroom is off on its own.
Yes.
So it's not like right off your living room, which is amazing. So you get that privacy. And of course, look at this
natural
owner's master bath here.
Special owner's retreat bathroom. Very spa-like, very spacious, very functional, and just a wonderful place to wake up and get ready for the day.
That is a large shower.
It sure is. And you know what? Everyone loves it.
Yeah, that is really beautiful. The finishes are beautiful. The design team does a wonderful job.
They do. Now, our design team, I want to give them some credit because these ladies and our design team at Nocatee are absolutely unbelievable. They're true artists. So none of our villas on our quick move-ins, none of them are cookie cutter. They're not in packages.
Wow.
The selections are meticulously presented by our designers. They take a home on as a piece of artwork, and when they deliver it, it is absolutely stunning. Wow. So it takes out all the work for the buyer to have to make all the choices and make them wrong sometimes, and maybe things may not go so well together as they thought. So having the actual professional designers design the space for you,
That is very nice.
that's a plus.
I mean, honestly, you look at the amount of draw space and cabinet space on this vanity, it's really amazing. It is beautiful.
Yes.
And that linen closet, to have that master closet was large.
Yeah.
So just to mention that Crosswinds is down on the south end of Crosswater Parkway. And if you have children, it's a golf cart right away from Pine Island Academy, a short bike right away from Settlers Pond, which if you love to fish, it's a catch and release. The Greenway trails, of course, Nocatee has about 30 miles of Greenway trails, so it does wind around that. So it's just a beautiful outdoor living space around here, and this really is very peaceful down here with these preserve lots. So Tiki, again, this model is called the Sunbeam?
This is called the Sunbeam.
Okay.
And it's close to 1,800 square feet. So you could purchase a Sunbeam with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, or 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a study.
Wow, I love the versatility of that. Tiki, thank you so much for walking us through this.
I'm so
These
happy
are
you
not
came.
going to last long, folks. You have to come down and see Tiki.
Yes.
Tour this beautiful model. See what's coming up soon. They're not going to last long. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Have a great day.
Beautiful day.
Bye.